Hello, welcome back guys to Amelia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to add signature in Microsoft Outlook on Android. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first, here of course you just have to make sure that your phone is already connected to the internet by Wi-Fi or mobile data. And after, if you're done, you just have to go to your Outlook account. I'm gonna open it by applications, and after, in this home page, you go to your account icon here at the top left in the corner, and we'll see here the gear icon, you guys, or the settings icon. You just have to tap on it. Now in the settings page, you just have to scroll it down until you'll find here the option which is a signature as one of it. I'm gonna tap on it, and this is my last signature, guys. Here I'm gonna erase it first. I'm gonna remove it, and I'm gonna make a new signature. For example, here the signature, I'm gonna make it as simple. And after, to save it, you just have to tap on this checklist icon at the top right in the corner of your phone. So yeah, it will save. This is my signature, which is Outlooking. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.